No, I love to go camping, but I don't really like to go camping alone. And with my days off being weekdays and the kids being in school, I can't always bring them. So I figured I would just steal my in-laws' dog. He's never really ridden in cars for long lengths of time, so I figured a 400-mile trip would be a good start for him. So anyways, meet Spike. Go away.
You ready to hit the road? We have not even left the house. Alright, so we got this guy figured out, fixed the issue with the battery terminals, and yeah, Spike's just drinking some water. I'll eat that. Really enjoy the scenery. Yeah, all good to go. So we're out here to hopefully see some really cool meteor showers tonight. That was not on the radar earlier. It's really just that ways. The radar says this is moving that ways, so we'll see what happens with that. What do you think, Spike? Such a cool rock formation, and it's all just in this like little valley. It just goes back that way. Maybe lasts maybe about a mile, just this little wash. So we're just taking a break. Spike's watering the ground, and yeah, just enjoying the view. Still water on the ground, just a different way now. You having a good time, buddy? Just gonna go ahead to camp now because it's about to be 6 and I don't want to get caught in the middle of that. I've never seen anybody else out here, but there's actually 2 people driving by that are not in side-by-sides. Oh, they're coming here. Or one of them, I guess. The black car went that ways, and this gray truck is coming our ways. Spike! Spike! Where are you going? How's it going, guys? Not bad. Just chilling.
You camping up here?
Thinking about it. Not a bad spot. Hopefully it doesn't get too stormy out.
Mind if we last a little bit? We're looking for some deer.
Huh?
Ready?
I guess we're just gonna take this branch. Excuse me, good sir. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. It was just really sketchy, those guys coming up there. Let me just find a new spot to camp. But, yeah. So anyways, here we are. Gonna find a new spot, call it a night. Thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, I really appreciate everybody's support in all this, and it's just been so great. I really appreciate all of it. So thank you guys for tuning in. Spike, say bye. Good job.